Sarura Kids.
Right, girls, so today we are going to be mixing different colours. Yes, you're right. So let's get some colours together.
I got some white.
I know you've got some white. We're going to move on to the white in a little bit, but let's start with our simple colours. We've got yellow. Do we have a red somewhere?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can I have the red? There's a brush. Thank you, sweetie. This is the red. That's red.
A red here.
So that red looks like Mummy's red as well. Thank you. Right, who's going to come over here and mix with this paintbrush? Coming over. Right, so we need one person mixing at a time.
Me.
So we take red and yellow, and then we mix them together. What do you think we're going to get?
Not those ones.
Come and mix over here.
No.
This is where the paint is. Come mix them. Come mix. You want to use your own paintbrushes? Okay. Right, don't worry, Mix. Come
Close it.
up here. You can mix there. Someone's got to come and mix this.
Me.
Right, mix.
Okay,
Probably should take your white trousers off. Right, you come and mix while I take my guy's trousers off.
Baby.
Look. Mix. 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 And what colour do we get? We get orange. Now I'm not saying get another colour, I'm saying when you mix red and yellow, we get the colour orange. So we've mixed two primary colours. Primary colours are blue, red and yellow. Can you say blue, red and yellow?
No.
Okay, they are blue, red and yellow. Those are primary colours. So now we're going to take yellow and we're going to take blue. Remember, blue, yellow and red are our three primary colours. No, we've actually just made orange by mixing yellow and red. Yellow and red made orange. And you're just painting yourself now, aren't you? Right, so we're going to mix two other primary colours, yellow and blue. I know, but you need different paintbrushes, so give Mummy this. Give Mummy this one. You've got a new paintbrush. And you've got a new paintbrush, don't worry. Here's a new one. You've got a new one. You've got a new one, don't worry. And let's not mix it into that one. Let's mix a new lot of paint. Look at this. You can both do it together, but I want you to do it in swirly whirlies. So wait for Mummy. And let's get a yellow in there. Let's get a yellow in there. And let's mix the blue and the yellow. Go on, guys. Mix. Mix. Can you see that colour? What colour is that? What do you see? What colour do you see?
Green.
Yeah, we made green. We just made green. Keep mix. We're making green. Wow. Keep mixing, sweetie. You mix too. Mix. So our two primary colours have made a secondary colour, which is green. I bet you can taste that green, can't you, sweetie? You can taste that wonderful green in that paint. Feel free to do more painting and less eating of the paint. Wow, look at that green. Isn't that a wonderful green?
Yummy.
You know better than to eat the paint, so you do the painting and then Vongai will follow you. But see, you just made your own green. So if we ever run out of green paint, all you have to do is say, Mummy, do we have blue and yellow? And if I say yes, guess what? We can make our own green. Yay! You ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Right, so what were the primary colours?
Green.
blue,
Red.
red, and
Orange.
yellow. Remember?
Yellow.
Blue, red, yellow. Those are the only colors that can be made without mixing something else. Now, since we've got blue, red, and yellow, we're going to mix. So we're only doing 2 mixes. So when we mixed yellow and red, what do we get? What do we get when we mix blue? No, sorry, red and yellow. We got orange. That's the first one that we mixed, remember? So red and yellow gave us orange. And then we mixed blue and yellow. And then we got green. Yes! And now we're going to mix, hopefully it comes out, blue and red. Because we haven't mixed those 2, have we? So let's mix blue and red together. Mummy's going to get you your new paintbrushes ready. So I'll put a bit of blue over here.
Yeah. And yellow.
And then we're going to put a bit of red over here as well.
On top of it. On
And then you can, oh, hold on. Here are your new paintbrushes. And you can mix that together.
What are we doing? We mixing it.
Yes, you're mixing it up. Hold on, don't put it in there. Let me pour it out.
Wait.
Mix.
Ooh.
Isn't that a wonderful colour?
It's making purple.
Yeah, keep on painting.
I'm painting myself like a fairy.
Oh, gee. Okay, you're painting yourself like a fairy. Wow! What a wonderful colour that is.
Painting some violet.
Yes, you're painting some violet. You've got some wonderful colours over here, you guys. Yeah, you've got some beautiful, beautiful colours. You're going to see what violet and green make. It makes a brilliant new colour.
Purple.
That's orange, but I don't think we've got time for orange. We've got time for one more colour, I think.
Oh no.
Let's see. I'm going to put some white onto this paper.
Me too.
Alright, give me a little bit of room.
Now I want to put some too.
Okay, right, give me a bit of room. Especially because we've got very little white left. Right, off you go.
Off we go.
Yay! Look at that lovely pink coming up. Wow! You see that?
It's
Yes.
pink.
The pink is coming alive.
Alive.
Yeah!
I like my painting.
You like your painting, do you?
Yeah.
You're doing some brilliant painting over there. What a lovely pink that
We
is.
wait for it to dry.
Yes, you can keep on painting it.
We wait for it to dry.
Yes, you can wait for it to dry. What brilliant colours you guys have done.
We don't yet.
Ah, pink.
We don't yet.
Pink. Pink. Yes, that's pink.
We need to do purple.
We need to do purple. Okay, we'll put some purple on the paper. And now you've got all your paintbrushes that you've been using from before. So you can now make a work of art. And while we do that, we're going to say bye-bye to everybody. Let's say bye to all our friends. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. See you.
Mama, we're going to do some more really big rocks.
Some more painting. Well done, sweetie. Say bye-bye, Mommy. Bye-bye.
I want to
See you later.
put some